everyone, welcome to my channel Data Universe. Here you will find practical SQL tutorials, tips on mastering SQL for data analytics. Let's start and grow together. Calculate the average number of days required to deliver a product. Here we have a product order table which has order ID, product category, product name, order date, ship date, quantity columns. To calculate average number of days required to deliver a product, first we need to calculate the number of days required to deliver each product. To do this, we will use date difference time function where we will calculate the difference between order date and ship date. So let's see the practical. This is my product order table. Here I am using date difference date function which returns the number of days between two date values. Here I am giving ship date as a date 1 and order date as a date 2. So it will return the number of days between these two dates. Let's execute this statement which will give total number of delivery days required for each product. So here we got delivery days. For order ID 1 it was 3, for order ID 2 it was 6. So to calculate the average delivery days, we need to know total delivery days divided by number of orders. So here 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 1, 18 and 18 plus 10, 28. So the total number of delivery days are 28 divided by number of orders which is 5. So 28 divided by 5 is the average delivery days required to deliver a product. So we got answer of 5.6 which is correct. Therefore, average number of days required to deliver a product are 5.6. Your likes in this video motivates me to create more valuable content. Please subscribe the channel, like the video and press bell notification to learn more SQL concepts.